So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.
Hi everyone, myself Vedprakash Misra. Basically, I am from Buxar, Bihar. I have done BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Swami Kishan Institute of Technology, Jaipur. And after my degree, I searched for a job. Then one of my friends suggested me to join Avision. I enrolled here on 24th September for OJT programs, and I got job offer letters from Progressive Infotech Private Limited with salary offered 2.4 LPA. And Avision provide great online training in job internship program with 100% job assistance. In Avision, all the trainers provide good training as well as take mock test to help us to build career in IT fields. Thank you everyone.
So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.